Is GPA or percentage important for Turkish scholarship? How about letter of intent? Is letter of intent important for Turkish scholarship? How about work experience and all those social activities or all those voluntary activities that you got certificates from there? Is that important for Turkish scholarship application process? So these are the questions that I am getting every day from you guys, and you guys are asking me on Instagram, WhatsApp, and also on Messenger that how about these things. So in today's video, I will show you that thing and I will give you explanation about that thing that matters for Turkish scholarship and which is important. If you get these things and if your qualification are higher in these things, so then you can get this scholarship easily. So let's start it, and welcome to the channel. I am Shamsandar, and please subscribe the channel to get notification of all my videos, and also you can follow me on Instagram. My profile link is in the description. So let's start it from GPA or percentage. The friends who are applying for the bachelor's degree, for them the high school percentage is very important. Like I have experienced that my friends who got a higher percentage, they got scholarship very easily. So the first and very important thing for every degree, like if you are applying for master's degree, the most important thing for you is your GPA, your bachelor's degree GPA. If you are applying for master's degree, if the persons who are applying for PhD, their masters and their masters GPA or their bachelor's degree GPA is very important. It matters for Turkish scholarship. So the important thing in Turkish scholarship, which they are main focusing, and which I have like experience as a Turkish scholarship holder. So I know that the most important thing for you is your GPA. If your high school percentage or GPA of bachelor's or master's degree is higher, so then you will improve your chance in Turkish scholarship and you will get it easily. Secondly, the most important and very asked question from me is letter of intent. Letter of intent, friends, it's very important. Exactly, this is the most important part that you have to add. And there they will ask about your intentions. That what your intention about Turkey scholarship? Why you want to go to Turkey? Why you choose this field? And what's your if you are applying for master and PhD, so they will ask more professional questions from you, that how about your project, if you're done in a project, so you have to give explanation to them. How about your experience about your field, are you interested in this field, so why you are interested in this field. If you are applying for bachelor's degree, so there will be just two questions. One is like why you choose this field and why you want to go to Turkey, and the second part that you will see, you have to give explanation something about something that you didn't explain before in your application process. So the letter of intent is very important, and the letter of intent shows your intention about your interest in your field, and about your experience, about your qualification, about your talent in this field. So they are testing your field, and the letter of intent, like most of you guys are asking from me, that how you have to write it. You can write it in your language. Like for PhD, it's very important that you have to write it in Turkish or English. But bachelor and master's degree, like I saw this year in application, they are saying that you can write it in any language. Like if you are speaking Arabic, so you can explain in Arabic for them, because you can explain yourself, you can explain your interest in this field very easily, and you can show it very easily. So this is very important part that you have to give information. And bachelor's and master's degree students can the friends who are applying for bachelor and master, they can explain in their own language, like and if you are speaking Arabic, so you can explain. If Spanish, French, anything you want, you can explain it. But for PhD students, they are like mandated for them, they have to explain in Turkish or English. It matters to them. So this is the very important part, and you guys are always asking from me on Instagram that how we have to write it. It's related to when you are coming for one degree, so you have to collect information about that field that you want to learn. If you someone write for you, so then it will be not more like good for you, because you have to write your intentions. You can write it, as I said, you can write it in your own language. It is very easily, and this is the very good point from Turkish scholarship team, that they are giving you the chance that you can write it in your own language. So the second most important thing is that letter of intent. Let's come to the third part. The third part are your social activities. By my opinion, social activities and work experience is very important. If you've done any job, like you've done any kind of job in the past, so you can easily put that certificate, and you get certificate, or you didn't get certificate, you can give explanation. Some of the part they didn't need any certificate from you, that you have worked there. but some of the part they need it. So you can easily put there, and you can easily give you explanation that when you work there and when you take this. So the third and more important things in Turkish scholarship, that's the work experience that you have done in the past. And all those social activities are very important. Voluntary activities, it will affect your application. It's not mandatory that you have to put, if you didn't have these kind of social activities certificates, or you didn't done any project or work experience, so you can process, you can continue your application. But if you have it, so it will give and it will improve your chance in Turkish scholarship. So social activities and voluntary activities that you have done in the past, you have attended any projects, you have done any projects, you have attended any parties or seminars or something, and you get something, and you get some certificates or appreciation letters from there, so you can upload it. It will improve your chance. So these are the things, the main things, these are the main things that you can improve your chance with this. First, it's your GPA and percentage is the most important thing. You have to focus on the formula. If you have best or good GPA or percentage in high school, masters or PhD, the whether it's behalf on you that for what you are applying. So it's very important for you. And the second is letter of intent. You have to write it very perfectly. You have to write it very like professionally. Don't write it very simple. You can get information from your friends. You can share this with your teachers. You can get information from them, and you can add it in a letter of intent. So it will be more helpful for you, that you can get it very easily scholarship. And the third thing, the work experience and social voluntary activities. This by my own behalf, but like I have experienced these things. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it, also got information from this video. So see you in another video, and if you are new in my channel, subscribe the channel, because I'm making these kind of videos for you guys about scholarships and about Turkey. So keep watching it, and also follow me on Instagram. My profile link is in the description.